In primetime news this evening, fresh concerns about security at UWI.
Anxiety at retirement primary as man of unsound mind invades school.
And transnational crimes take center stage at Cybercrime Forum. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, I tell you what, as the winter tourist season reaches its peak, there are concerns that the current weather in the United States could impact arrival numbers. The details later on in the business day.
Yeah, I call it the big show when he's here. So, that means that Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, some suspensions are being investigated at Caymanas Park, and some news just then. Jamaica's under 17 footballers, well, they just hammered the Cayman Islands 10-1 at the CONCACAF Championship. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Oh my, and Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. The biggest change we have today is an increase in wind speeds across both coast, north and south. So we do have a small craft warning that takes effect.
And Romain will have more on the weather later on in the weather report and forecast. There is also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking, what are your views on the ongoing security issues at the University of the West Indies?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.